of bread. Apply some melted butter on the bread. And take some mayonnaise and apply on the bread. Sprinkle some chopped onion. And put some chopped tomatoes, and they are healthy and tasty. Add some grated carrot, and it's good for eyes, and it improves our eyesight. And add some boiled egg. Add some fried paneer. Paneer strengthen your teeth and bones. Add some chili flakes to make it little spicy. And take some tomato ketchup for taste. Cover the bread with a slice of bread and gently press it. And let's taste the boiled egg sandwich. Wow! Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you.